Guess what we installing today? Today we are installing some version 2 from HARDRACING. Chain adjusters. So it comes with this little instructions or whatever. And then here is the actual chain adjusters themselves. Very, very solid construction. And yeah, so we're gonna install these guys. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta loosen this bolt here. I would recommend you use a rod or something to hold the wheel in place so you don't have to take all that stuff down. Hammer this through, take the shaft out, and then put the chain adjuster in, and then put the shaft back in. Very, very simple process. This one comes all the way off. It goes in that direction. Loosen these guys first, loosen this, and then completely remove that bolt, set it down, push it out using this guy and a soft hammer. Hammer it through to the other side. Install the chain side first, bring it back this way, then the brake side, and then put the nut back on and then adjust. I would always recommend you have these all the way in and then you just pull out as you go to adjust the chain. But let me take all this stuff off first. Real quick, my method was a disaster. It was fine all the way up until I got to this part where the whole tire just fell. This fell out, the wheel spacer fell out, this clearly fell out, and now I'm trying to adjust it back to put this spacer back, and I'm having the hardest time. So I thought this was gonna work, but I think you need 2 people to do this the right way, without everything just falling all over on you. But I'm gonna clean the grease up. I'm gonna put it back in. But basically, this is what I wanted to show you. So I was looking at this and I was a little confused, but I had to go back to HARDRACING's YouTube video, and I was like, well, which side faces what? If you look at it, it's dummy proof. You can't put this like this, or can you? Yeah, I think it's this way. Okay, so the way it should be, this should be up from the video, according to the video, and not like this. It should be like this. Wait, yeah, it should be like this. So this part faces in, this faces up, out, and this is where the spool will go. Wait, hold up. Let me show you what I mean in 1 second. Let me pause this part and then we'll come back to it. Alright guys, so welcome back. I don't think it was explained correctly on the video, so I just want to make sure I'm showing you how it should be. This part needs to be over this exterior part, so that way when you adjust it, this actually clamps down on the swing arm, and then when you tighten this bolt down, the whole thing doesn't move. If this is not clamping down on the swing arm, you can't tighten this bolt down. It's just gonna swing, and the chain and everything's gonna be all not aligned correctly. Just wanted to make sure that part was clear. So let's finish up with the video. Right? No. I'm confused. Let me go back to the video again. I just couldn't do it. It was just too heavy. But long story short, the spool goes here. 8 foot-pounds, according to HARDRACING. Same thing here. This bolt holds this whole bracket in place. This holds the spool in place. This adjusts the shaft. And basically what I'm doing is I'm going based off the indentations on the inside. The first indentation on this side is right at the line. Same thing on that side, and they're both even. All I need to do now is just tighten down 14 and 19, and then the bike should be good. As far as the chain adjusters are concerned, what a mission with these. I don't even think I should sell these. These are crap. I would hate to put someone through that kind of torture. But yeah, so that's the video on how to install chain adjusters on a 2018 Honda Grom. Geez, these tires need to go. What the? These are the factory V rubbers that come on the Grom, and I've been doing burnouts with them. I've been all kinds of just stupid stuff with these tires. I don't care for them. I do plan on getting the Michelin Pilot tires, soft. And what I would like to do is I would like to go up, instead of it being 70, no, it is 70. So this, because what I was looking at was, does the numbers match? And these are 130s and those are 120s. I'll probably keep them the same. Just thinking out loud. All right, so that's the video, and I thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.